Hi everybody and welcome back to my backyard once again. Today we have an incredibly big box to open, and as you can see it's from PGYTECH and it's actually their latest backpack and it has some very cool features. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Boom, nothing else. And boom, this is their latest OnePro Focux camera backpack for outdoors and especially hiking. I'm already showing you a very cool feature. And boom, let's dissect this backpack because I think the most interesting feature is this. You see this metal rod that goes all the way around? It's an aluminum frame called the Aceframe, and basically it makes the backpack incredibly rigid, first of all, so your gear is supported and you feel less overall weight. But most importantly, what I like is your back sits against this very breathable mesh fabric that is tensioned by this frame and not against the back of the backpack. You sweat a lot less. And if you're used to these 35-liter kind of backpacks and you carry a lot of stuff, you know if you start walking how tiring and how sweaty it is, especially now that it's summer. So also the straps are super breathable, really good job here. I can't wait to load it up and test it. Talking about the straps, there is a lot of customization. You have, as usual, your tensioner, your length adjustment, but also, very interesting, you can set how high your shoulder go because boom, you pull these two tabs. It takes, yes, a little bit of fiddling because this is resistant and I have to look what I'm doing, but yes, boom. This allows you to shift the weight of your backpack upper or lower. It has a height adjustable chest strap with a very cool buckle that doubles as a whistle. So if you're in danger, just whistle. You have a non-removable lumbar support that's very padded. Here is a cushion to push on your lower back, so it feels much more comfortable. And as usual, the lumbar support has an adjustment as well, and also all of the straps have ton of mounting points. 1, 2, 3. On the other side, very deep pocket that can even fit your phone in it. Super useful, a camera, whatever you want to put in it. On the left strap you have 2 vertical mounting points and 1 horizontal, like you see here. You can hang stuff from it with carabiners. On the other side, a very big bag. You can put a water bottle in it or whatever else, and a hooking point again right here. There is a handle here. I wish it was a little bit thicker because when you're carrying the backpack like this, if it's heavy, you're gonna feel it on your fingers. And also another one on the other side. Also, I believe this Aceframe doubles as a trolley mounting point to slot your handle through it. On the right side, you have a lot of hooking points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Side pockets for water bottle or a small tripod. Opening the side pocket, boom, you have a very deep pocket with 2 straps that have the hooks for the hooking points. So this is nice for us FPV pilots, so you find ways to hang your drones from, or if you want to carry whatever other gear, you have mounting points. So deep pocket and smaller pockets for extra gear. Also, of course, this is a pocket as well if you use it like that. On the left side we have 4 hooking points, and as you can see, this is another way they provide to attach stuff. You just loop it around and hook. Incredibly nice again for drones. The side pocket is the same as the other side, and opening this pocket, this time you get access to the inside of the backpack. We're gonna take a look at it later. And this pocket right here is the battery pocket for your camera. It has 4 big pockets and 1 very small. You can put your camera battery in it, and these indicators cycle between red and green, so you know at a glance which camera battery is charged. Super nifty feature. On the front side there is not much because this backpack is designed to be waterproof. It's for outdoors. It's made of Cordura nylon covered with polyurethane, so it's pretty much waterproof if you close it. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points, the official ones, but also I see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So if you want to carry drones, a lot of space to do that. To open the front pocket, just unbuckle these 2 parts. This is a portable bag, I'm gonna show it to you later. And boom, you have a ton of space. This is all extra space that hangs outside. So if you have a very long tripod, you have this stuff hanging outside of your backpack but still secured. There is a small pocket for extra gear on the top, and you get two accessories down here. One is the waterproof bag to put around your backpack. It is incredibly large, so it can accommodate stuff hanging from the side. And also this is a very nifty pouch for your tripod. It hangs from the bottom of your backpack and it allows your tripod to be protected. You can further open it by unhooking these parts, and look how big of space you get. And if you open this zipper, you have access to a waterproof front pocket. Here you can hang your tripod, gimbal or whatever. Of course it has to fit inside here. Wallet, whatever else, and your keychain with this nice hook. This one at the top is a detachable bag. You can unhook it and boom. When you arrive at the field, you drop the backpack on the base camp and then you carry this with you. You can put cameras inside. It's super convenient. It comes with a shoulder strap so you can hang it. Inside is velcroed so you can put separators in it. It has a couple of pockets already and a small pocket on the back that's open. If you unzip the top part, you have top access to your inside top pocket. Usually there is a camera in here or maybe a drone. And finally, let's take a look at the main compartment. It has these incredibly cool latches that are magnetic, so it doesn't open on its own. And boom, you can see how many divider it has. This is the Focus version of the OnePro backpack. The Flex version has more space for clothes. This is mostly aimed at cameras and gears only, so you have a lot more dividers. You can also buy extra bags that you can put inside with dividers and then take out and shoulder strap them. That is very comfortable, but this is the maximum amount of gear you can carry. They are all velcroed, customizable, and have all these elastic straps to keep stuff inside. And on the back side you have pockets for your probably laptop, charger, mouse, stuff like that. And this pocket comes with a magnetic latch. It auto closes when you put it down, so your laptop doesn't slide out. Space for your laptop and space for documents or iPad or whatever. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro and it fits there just fine. Boom. This is the 35-liter version of this backpack. Very padded on the front and very padded on the back, so your laptop is safe. It is not actually very padded on the bottom, so be careful on what you put here because it can damage your PC. Even though the gravity does its thing and it doesn't touch what's inside here. And now I'm gonna try and fill this backpack as much as I can and put it on my shoulders so I can tell you how it feels. The backpack is loaded to 20 kilos. It's not its maximum capacity because it has a lot more space, but it feels super heavy when you pick it up, and I don't usually have to carry all of this stuff. So basically I have tripod, drone that's strapped. You can put other drones on all the different attachment points. On this front part I have the gimbal, which is kind of heavy. The bag is empty. Probably I can put the batteries, some drone batteries there, but I put them inside. Opening the front, you can see how much stuff I put in there. We have drone batteries, the radio for the Mavic 3, batteries for the Avata, camera. I am using the big one, this is my old, but we have batteries for the Mavic, a big lens that's 3 kilos already, a tele lens, wide angle lens, drone goggles and drone radio. It's a lot of stuff, and inside here is my MacBook, as I put it before. Inside this pocket, a big power bank. So it feels heavy when you pick it up. Remember, it's 20 kilos, but once it's on, it's actually very fine. Still feels heavy, of course. Boom, you put both straps in. Of course, when I tilt, I feel the weight juggling around. I have to find better ways to strap the drone because it's moving. But, I mean, it makes you sit straight with your back if you attach everything, because it has the frame and really you cannot hunch over a lot. It's summer, I am sweating anyways. I'm gonna come here. But, I mean, you can see there is some actual space between my back and the backpack. And that's the best part. I don't know how to test it. I'm gonna take a walk maybe. I've been wearing this backpack for like more than 20 minutes. My grandma arrived, helped her move her bags with the 20 kilos on my back. I just swallowed a mosquito. But I mean, it's full on summer, super hot, 36 degrees outside. And my back is still kind of dry. Of course, don't expect it to not sweat while wearing this backpack. You're still gonna have the sweat marks on your black shirt if you wear one. But with a white one, you don't see that too much in summer. Still, this helps a lot with ventilation. With the other backpacks, after a while, you start feeling super hot on the back. If you have traveled with a camera backpack this big, you know the deal. In the airport, at the end of the day, you hunch over like this. While I have to report, I don't usually carry 20 kilos, maybe 12, 15, so it's a little bit lighter on my back and on my straps here. Because I feel a little bit of tension, of course. Also, this Aceframe is helping with the ventilation, is helping with the rigidity, keeping you straight, but is pushing the center of gravity a tiny bit back. And you feel the weight maybe a little bit more because of that. I mean, you feel a force pulling you back. Usually I split the stuff I carry with another bag on the front, so I am more balanced. Like the Mavic Pro, I use its own bag. Still is gonna strain your neck, but at least you are more balanced. And that's pretty much it for the review of the PGYTECH OnePro Focux camera backpack. I mean, super high quality stuff, very interesting technologies. The price is like 230 bucks. Right now it's on Kickstarter. Check out the links in the description. And I mean, very premium. You have some pros and cons with this technology because, as I said, it's ventilated, keeps you straight, but it pushes the weight a little bit on the back. And also, if you are a FPV pilot like me, it's fine. You can carry FPV drones, no problem. But I like the front opening backpack and not the back opening one, because when you open this back, all the weight is gonna fall on your FPV drones. It's minor nitpicks at best, because it's very well made and very capable, and I mean, very comfortable for carrying a ton of gear if you have to do that. And as always, remember to like, subscribe and comment on this video. I want to know what do you think about this backpack, and also what kind of backpack do you wear if you have camera backpacks, especially this big. I'm very curious to know what's out there. And as always, if you want to buy something, check out the links in the description down below. And stay safe and happy flying or backpacking or carrying the stuff for flying. Bye!